You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish, which is quite commonly used in Mexico as well, Mexican, meaning little mummy. That's essentially what it means, but it's often used, especially in Mexico, just to designate a girl, so a young girl. Mamacita, mamacita, mamacita. The stress is on the C syllable. Mamacita is how it's pronounced, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.